Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. His Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Before I start, let me introduce you a little bit of Brunei Darussalam. Brunei is located in the heart of Borneo Island in Southeast Asia. My name is Dr. Mas Munira Haji Ramli. I am a lecturer in University Technology Brunei. Together with this project, it's myself and my student, Fatin Natasha. Yep. So together we are building a team to elevate this SGD2. Our vision is to leverage Brunei's sustainable economy. And together with this opportunity, I thank ICESCO with a warm welcome and this great opportunity where we can work together to fight hunger and to empower women and youth, not only in Brunei, globally as well. Okay. So let me present you with our 5 minutes video.
Have you ever pondered why, in a world brimming with abundance, millions go to bed with an empty stomach? Roughly 1.3 billion tons of the food produced for consumption are wasted every year. Imagine if we can redirect even a fraction of that wastage into something more valuable. At University Technology Brunei, we believe in the power of innovation to transform challenges into opportunities. Introducing our product, Burst Bar. It is a plant-based energy bar made from bio-waste material. We have 4 main objectives. To create an edible food product to reduce food shortages and food waste. To formulate an energy bar that is gluten-free from plant bio-waste, such as rice bran, banana stem, and aquafaba as key ingredients. To ensure hygienic and sanitary practices are followed to create quality and safe food product. To create job opportunities, especially for single mothers, women, and young people. Our objective also aligns with 6 of the Sustainable Development Goals, such as no poverty, zero hunger, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequalities, and responsible consumption and production. Our products are made from banana stem, rice bran, and aquafaba as bio-waste ingredients. Other additional ingredients include tofu, pineapple, and palm sugar to add flavor and texture. Most of the ingredients used are produced locally. As of 2021 alone, banana is the top most produced fruit in Brunei Darussalam. One of the varieties grown are the wild banana, grown in the Temburong district. Rice bran is obtained from milled rice kernels. Brunei Darussalam locally produces rice, mainly the fragrant rice, Sambada 188. In 2021 alone, rice was produced at 2,675 metric tons. As for other ingredients, tofu is also usually handmade by small business owners. Pineapple is also a tropical fruit commonly grown here. To prepare the bar. First, banana stem is prepared by boiling until softened, and then blended to create a paste. The paste is then strained and left dry to remove excess water. Next, mash the tofu into smaller pieces and fry until golden and crispy. Aquafaba is prepared by whipping until soft peaks are reached. For the pineapple, it is cut into smaller pieces. All ingredients mentioned are added together with the flour to create first mixture. Next, the palm sugar is boiled in water and left to cool until it thickens. It is then added to the first mixture. The final mixture is then laid on a baking tray and then baked and air fried until it is cooked. The product is then hand packed individually. In the coming future, we will be improving the formulation to achieve a more shelf-stable and more nutritionally balanced product. Once our brand is trademarked and product is patented, we will be planning a business proposal, in which we will be working with local suppliers for the raw ingredients as well as hiring youths and women, especially single mothers in Brunei Darussalam. Thank you for this opportunity to share our vision with you today. Together, let's pave the way for a brighter, more sustainable future.
Thank you.
Merci, Dr Mounira. Donc, nous avons estimé qu'il fallait produire des vidéos courtes de 5 minutes pour permettre aux membres du jury, au-delà des résultats présentés, d'avoir un aperçu. Et au-delà même de cette vidéo, des tests organoleptiques ont été organisés pour voir la qualité organoleptique et sanitaire des produits. Les produits sont disponibles pour des tests de dégustation. Je vais donc appeler Dr Hanan Binti Simarari de la Malaisie de bien vouloir se présenter. La projection de sa vidéo suivra la présentation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank to the ICESCO organization for giving me the opportunity to come to Morocco. Okay. I am Hanom Simarani from Malaysia, affiliated with Microbial Divisions, Institute Biological Sciences, University Malaya, Malaysia. My specialization is in biotechnology and applied microbiology, focusing on green conversion of agro-industrial waste into value-added products. I also have working experience on natural resources management with focus on sustainable management for food security and ecosystem services. I also was representative of University of Malaya for training workshop on technopreneurship for women in science, technology, and innovations organized by ISTIC. Okay, with that, I will share my video on the processing of my food bar from natural bio-based plant resources. Thank you.
In a world where bio-waste generated from agro-industrial activities poses a significant environmental challenge and achieving zero hunger is a global priority, innovative minds are rising to the occasion to find sustainable solutions. Today, we have the privilege of exploring Dr. Hanom Simarani's groundbreaking work. Dr. Hanom Simarani, CEO of Beko and a researcher at the University of Malaya, shares her insights into how Beko nutritional bars are not only reducing waste, but also providing a sustainable solution to global food security.
Beko bars are more than just a nutritional snack. It represents a vision of sustainable nutrition that's both innovative and inclusive. Our approach addresses the challenge of bio-waste generated from agro-industrial activities, because these materials still rich in nutrients and minerals which are valuable, reusable resources. By transforming into nutrition's energy bar require research, innovations, and often collaborations between researchers and industries which can contribute to food securities aligning with the zero hunger effort outlined in Sustainable Development Goal SDG 2. Our bars is made of 100% natural, plant-based resources and no preservative. So it's not only provide health benefits, but also meet halal requirements, which is ensuring accessibility to wider consumer. Through efficient and cost-effective technologies, we ensure that provision of raw materials component for producing our upcycled food bar.
The co-bars process starts off with coconut dregs, sourced directly from the market. Here, coconuts are processed using specialised machines to extract coconut milk, leaving behind the dregs which lays the foundation for our bars. At nearby fruit stalls and roadside hawkers, jackfruit rags and seeds are often discarded as waste. We found an opportunity to reuse these overlooked ingredients, turning them into valuable sources of alternative food product.
This is a jackfruit rag. Actually, we still can eat this one and still sweet, but normally people will not take this one.
The ingredients such as coconut dregs, jackfruit rags and banana peels undergo a drying process before incorporated into Beko nutritional bars. Banana peels collected from hawker stalls were washed, cut into small pieces and treated with 0.5% citric acid solution to halt enzymatic browning, then carefully spread out on trays and oven dried at 65 degrees Celsius, along with coconut dregs and jackfruit rags to remain their flavours and nutrients. Upon the completion of drying process, the materials were blended and turned into powder form, then sieved to pass through 50 mesh screens in size prior to being kept in an airtight containers and stored in the refrigerated temperature at 5 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius before further use. Simultaneously, jackfruit seeds and sweet potato peels were boiled and mashed separately, ready to be blended into our bars mixture. Presence of mashed sweet potato peel adds a hint of natural sweetness due to its richness in carbohydrate and fibre. Besides protein and fat, it also consists of pectin, which acts as thickening and gelling agents in food application. Combining with molasses, the mixture becomes moist and functionalizes as a binder. Once all the ingredients are prepared, the mixture will be blended, then shaped into molds before being cut into bar-sized shape, ready to be set and transformed into our signature plant-based nutritional bars. The meticulous combination of these ingredients ensure a perfect balance of flavours and nutrients in every bite of our nutritional bars, such as carbohydrates, fat, fibre, protein, vitamins and minerals. The bars were then carefully placed into the oven, where heat and precision come together to bake our signature Beko Energy bars to perfection. It's important to note that Beko Energy bars undergo rigorous testing and analysis to ensure safety and quality. With a certificate of analysis from accredited laboratory, confirming its safety and being free from harmful microorganisms, you can trust that every bite is not only delicious, but also safe to consume. Crafted with care, Beko Energy bars are gluten-free products, free from animal resources like eggs and butter, making them suitable for vegetarians as well as individuals with celiac disease and dermatitis herpetiformis due to gluten intolerance. Together, we're making a positive impact on both our health and the environment. Join us on this journey towards sustainable nutrition, where every ingredient tells a story of resilience and possibility. Beko, balanced nutrition, better condition.
Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.
Merci, Dr Khanom. Nous allons donc passer à la troisième présentation. Je vais inviter le binôme Dr Ahmed Rayan et Amira Abdel Fattah de bien vouloir venir se présenter, please.
Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Firstly, I'd like to thank ICESCO for giving us the opportunity to attend this great event. I am Professor Ahmad Rayan, a Professor of Food Technology, Suez Canal University, with my colleague, Amira.
Amira Abdel Fattah, an assistant lecturer in Marine Science Department, Suez Canal University.
As you know, food fortification is essential strategy in the fight against hunger, and significant efforts have been made globally to make use of residues and byproducts in both under industrial and developing nations. Effective waste management and capacity to turn food waste into byproducts could have a significant impact on the environmental and the social and the economic. Many benefits can be obtained through reducing food waste and achieving support the fight against climate change, save money for companies. We have developed food products rich in carbohydrate and oils and also protein from some food bio-wastes to provide essential nutrients required for healthy living. Also provide accessible and affordable food options to vulnerable communities, reducing food insecurity and malnutrition. Transform food waste in material into valuable ingredients for food production, reducing waste accumulation and its negative environmental impacts. Now I will let you to see our or more details about our project.
Hi everyone, I am Ahmad Rayan, Professor of Food Technology, with my team member Ms. Amira Abdel Fattah, Assistant Lecturer of Marine Science, Suez Canal University. Firstly, we are very thankful for ICESCO to invite us to present our project, which aims to utilize the bio-wastes and food byproduct to reduce hunger and malnutrition in developing countries through the first edition of ICESCO Prize for converting the bio-waste into food bars. As we know, waste poses significant challenges to environmental sustainability, economic efficiency, and food security. As the population continues to grow, the need for sustainable practices in food production and consumption becomes increasingly urgent, so valorization or reuses of food bio-waste to create new food products such as protein, carbohydrate, offer a promising solution to address these challenges. Protein deficiency and related malnutrition is one of the serious problems in most developing countries, so food fortification is an essential strategy in the fight against hunger. This will achieve the Egyptian Vision 2030 and the General Assembly of the United Nations adopted in 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development for Zero Hunger and Sustainable Production. I'm going to show you the methodology of our project, where the byproducts are used as raw material for food bars preparation. Firstly, prickly peas boughs, which are considered a waste after harvesting the fruits, and tree pruning process, which represent huge quantities rich in carbohydrate, are used for mucilage production, which can be used for biscuits and noodles with high soluble fibers, and also to enhance the techno-functional properties of free gluten bakery products. Carrots, byproducts for hummus production that is high in fiber and beta-carotene. Also, porcelain is a white herb. The seeds are used for oil extraction that is high in omega-3 fatty acids. The following diagrams explain the different steps for preparing the raw material, extraction of mucilage from prickly peas boughs, the preparation of protein concentrate from fatted porcelain by precipitation at isolated oil, and the pumice extraction from carrot byproducts, and finally, the extraction of oil from porcelain seed. We have produced different products such as biscuits that is high in carbohydrate or functional gluten-free biscuits and high protein biscuits. Also, two types of noodles have been produced that is high in fiber and high in protein. Additionally, jelly candy, high in omega-3, produced from porcelain seed oil. As a result, the following table explains the chemical and microbiological analysis of produced food bars. Finally, thank you for your attention. Now I will let my colleague Amira to explain utilizing the marine waste to produce valuable products.
What makes our project different and special is that we not only work on wastes derived from plant but also marine sources. Globally, accumulated marine wastes are discarded and thrown as wastage without any consideration of its importance. However, these wastes could be used as food additive, and in medicine. The methodology of ink powder extraction is very simple, just lyophilization of liquid ink powder from the discarded ink sacs. The methodology for collagen extraction has more steps, include the removing of non-collagenous compounds and fats to obtain pure collagen. For example, a 10 gram of discarded ink sac of sepia species contained 4 grams of protein, 2 grams of carbohydrates, and rich in flavonoids, alkaloids, glycoside, and high value of antioxidant that reach 64.5%. It could be added on pasta or rice to color them and give them high nutritional value. Interestingly, we obtain both liquid and powder pure collagen from the discarded skin of the cuttlefish. And finally, developed a product that is totally safe for human consumption to prove that waste can be considered a source of food rather than a source of pollution.
Okay, thank you.
Hi everyone.
Merci à l'équipe d'Égypte. À présent, je vais inviter Dr Mohamed Mohsin Karem du Pakistan de bien vouloir venir se présenter avant la projection de sa vidéo.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Good morning and assalamu alaikum to all of you. I am Mohsin Kareem from Pakistan. Firstly, welcome and assalamu alaikum all Muslim world from Pakistani brothers. I would like to introduce myself. Firstly, I am a business graduate and I have a renewable energy startup, namely Park Bioenergy. We are working on converting the waste, especially the organic waste, into the useful materials and energy. Before this project even, we were working on 2 products. Number 1 is biomass fuels that we made from organic and agriculture wastes, from timber market, furniture markets, and agriculture products. And the second, we are working on producing the compost fertilizer that we make utilizing the kitchen waste. I'm thankful to the ICESCO for adding the 3rd product in our portfolio, that are the nutritious food bars. Nutritious food bars are made from waste that we have available in Pakistan and other regions in millions of tons. We have utilized the waste of cereals, utensils, the waste of butchery, the waste of sugar industry, and the wheat waste to produce our nutritious food bars. The production process I'll show you in the video, but prior to that, I would like to tell you that our nutritious bars are not only tasty, healthy, but also economical. So let me allow you to show the video. As per the ICESCO's criteria, I only covered the process of production. The rest of information I have given you verbally. So please play the video. So this is the production process. Firstly, we sorted the chickpeas waste from husk and stones. So this is the process of sorting. So these are the sorted chickpeas waste. That will be the basic product. So the first ingredient is putting in the bowl. And water is added to wash it. These are the clean chickpeas waste. They are washed to eliminate any possible dust or husk. This is then put it into the grinder until it makes a fine paste. The paste is ready and it is separated from the grinder. Water is added in to cook it for around 5 minutes until the visible water evaporates. The second is our ingredient is the butchery waste, that is from meat of fish and muttons. These butchery waste is put it on the stove for heating, and we continue to heat this until it converts into the unsaturated oil. Then we took the sugar serum extracted from sugar waste or the molasses waste from sugar industry. Now we are mixing all ingredients, the oil, the sugar serum and the chickpeas waste. Now we cook it until the visible water evaporates. Now our product is almost ready and it's just to take its shape. We are bringing it into the tray to be cutted into the bars. Then put it into oven for 15 minutes at 180 degree, and finally our nutritious food bars are ready. They are very tasty, sweet and energetic. Thank you all for watching. Thank you. Lots of love from Pakistan.
Merci, Dr Morsin. Je vais inviter le dernier candidat sur la liste, Monsieur Cho Nang Ling de Malaisie, pour se présenter avant la projection de sa vidéo.
A very good morning to everyone here. My name is Chu. You can call me Nang Ling. First of all, I'd like to have a thanks to the ICESCO organization for allowed me to speak here and standing here to share with you about our projects on the food bar. Okay, the story begin. I met a professor from West Malaysia, UPM, University of Putra, Malaysia. So the name is Professor Azrina and the Professor Rosna. So they share me there is an opportunity to participate in contributing to encounter this zero hunger. So I said, hey, why not? because this is a very meaningful project. So I said, okay, why not? Because Sarawak is a big area of land. And then for your information, we are not much of exporting company over there. So most of the fruits is waste, just like that. Sometimes we cannot, our population cannot afford to consume everything. So that's why we collect the fruits from locally to prevent it become rotten just like that. So make it some, and we gather the fruits and we make it to the food bar. Okay. So, of course, and maybe I just a little bit story about what type of food bar that I would like to emphasize is. Well, one of the ingredients is called dabai fruits. Maybe most of you don't know what is dabai fruits. It's a black color. It's just like we call ourselves is a Sarawak's olive. Maybe later on you can have a look. It's rich of antioxidants and rich of good fat and rich of minerals. Okay, so before my end, before you share, you'll see the video. Just to let you know, my background is electronic engineering actually. So please enjoy the video.
Basic needs. The call for action resonates louder than ever. Today, we stand at the forefront of change, recognizing the urgent need to address global hunger and its far-reaching implications. But in the face of this challenge, University Putra Malaysia and Sarawak Fruit Enterprise has come together, hand in hand, committed to make a difference. Meet Mr. Chuo Nang Ling, a visionary entrepreneur, and professors Dr. Azrina Aslan and Dr. Razna Shamsuddin. Together, they have pooled their expertise in food nutrition and engineering to pioneer a new solution aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals: good health and well-being, zero hunger, and responsible consumption and production. These are not just objectives, they are our guiding principles, driving every decision we make. Now, let's take a closer look at Sarawak Fruit Enterprise and the process behind the creation of the Borneo Food Bar. We will start with the pineapple. Isn't just a tropical delight, it's a nutritional powerhouse, packed with high fiber and essential vitamins. Turning what's often discarded into a nutritional treasure, we utilize Chempedak seeds, typically overlooked due to their rich carbohydrate content and the kernel of dabai nuts that's rich in minerals. The journey of crafting the Borneo Food Bar begins with the pineapple. Unpacked, sliced, and dehydrated, we preserve the natural goodness of this tropical delight. Simultaneously, we work to soften the Chempedak seed through a boiling process. Enter the dabai paste, a meticulous process of handpicking, cleaning, and mushing dabai flesh in a controlled, low-temperature environment. This paste is a powerhouse of antioxidants, minerals, and good amount of healthy fat. Now, with all raw ingredients prepared, we embark on the journey of creating a flavorful symphony. Stir-frying the dabai nut until it emanates a roasted aroma marks the start of this Borneo Food Bar creation. Next, we turn our attention to the oat, stir-frying it to achieve the perfect texture and further enhance its nutritional profile. In a harmonious blend, brown sugar, butter, and gula apong melt together, creating a sweet and savory foundation. Into this mix, we introduce the dabai nut, Chempedak seed, and dehydrated pineapple, coating them with the blend. The dabai paste and oat join the mix, gently cooked until they reach a harder, more cohesive state. This careful process ensures the retention of nutrients and flavors. From the cooking pan to the mold, Borneo Food Bar takes shape, carefully flattened and cut into bite-sized portions. Placed on racks and dehydrated once more, the Borneo Food Bar reaches its final form, a testament to our dedication to perfection. Once the Borneo Food Bar has completed its journey through dehydration, it undergoes hand packing process. Every bar is handled with care, ensuring that the essence of our commitment to quality and sustainability is preserved. These carefully packed bars are now ready to embark on a journey of nourishment and positive impact. The final product is gluten-free, abundant in protein, good fat, high mineral, and fiber. We create this product with the culture and product of Malaysia and Sarawak. Packed with benefits, it's easy to carry, rich in nutrition, and embodies the distinctive nutty and fruity taste of Borneo's finest products. I present to you Borneo Food Bar.
Thank you very much.